Let's go out here. Let's go out here. You like my guitar? And my guitar teacher used to play guitar as a touring musician in the band America. Yes, Tommy did quite well for himself. Well, let's go out here and see. So as you can imagine, I know how to play all the songs by America. Let's go out here. Oh, the birds are singing. I love it. Got my little chair over here. Looks inviting, doesn't it? Sun straight up. Oh, a lot of sunshine left today. I'm just going to lay out here today, get some sun, wait for the phone call, get the dryer delivered, then I'm heading to the beach. Old Florida paradise back in here, living the dream. I will be live tonight, planning to be live again at the fishing pier. And tonight I think I'm going to have dinner at the restaurant right at the fishing pier, not upstairs. And ate at the one upstairs last night. Really good food. They got this thing called the Josper oven. Gets to like 800 degrees. Really cooks a steak, chicken, or fish really well. But I think I'm just going to go downstairs tonight and eat. Might even eat at the bar. I don't know. Looks like it's going to be a beautiful sunset. And y'all are welcome to join me. The pier has been redone, rebuilt after a 1-year absence because of Hurricane Milton. All right. Welcome to my little corner of the world. Might not suit everybody, but it does me. And